wrapping this girl up. Excuse the noise. We're on the main road to the shop. We filled all the panels. Last video you've seen, it was all oozing and goozing. We wrapped this thing up tight. Stuffed insulation where, I don't know if you can see that. We had to do that. I feel sorry for the person. Hopefully it ain't me that has to replace this, but totally encompass the back. Just trying to soundproof a handicap now. And we did all this to the other side too. There's videos on it. It's a blockade up there. Whole wheel well. Yep. If this don't work, I don't think anything will.